Paano nag-start yung collab niyo ni Charles Delgado?
Nakita ko po siya sa Twitter, nakita ko po yung profile niya. I thought he was really cute. And nakita ko po na gumagawa rin siya ng content. So, and at the time, parang wala pa ako masyadong partners na ibang lalaki sa mga content ko. So sabi ko, sige, try natin magtrabaho together. Lalo na, important sa akin na nagpapakita siya ng mukha. And mas babenta kasi kung parehong kita yung mukha namin.
At kilala rin si Charles, di ba? Lalo sa gay community. Dahil sa indie movies niya.
Yeah.
So, ikaw una nag-approach. Ano sabi niya?
Actually, matagal bago ko siya nakausap kasi meron siyang social media manager.
Okay.
So, hindi diniretso nung social media manager offer ko sa kanya. So, siya mismo nagkalkal sa message niya. Siya nakakita nung message ko, tapos saka siya nag-respond.
And then, nagtanong ba ng presyo? May presyohan ba yan pag kulab-kulab?
Wala po kapag pareho pong adult content creator yung involved. Ang mangyayari po is pareho po kaming may kopya ng video and then kanya-kanyang benta po.
Ganon.
Yeah,
sure.
So, kumita naman yung content na yan.
Yeah, I think out of all of my videos, it's one of the most popular ones. Kasi, yun, maganda yung naging performance namin pareho kasi.
Kumusta si Charles? Kumusta si Charles?
Kakulab.
Masaya siya ka-sex, and I think that the chemistry that we have is really nice, it's really genuine. Which I really cherish. Pero kasi siya, as an employee, as a worker, he's really flaky. So, minsan papupuntahin ko, hindi sisipot or hindi mag-update. So even though, pinagtsatsagaan ko na lang, kasi yun nga, maganda yung content na ginagawa namin. Pero yeah, may moments siyang ganun, na mahirap siya makontak.
Ay, talaga? Nakailang content kayo?
3.
Mm-hmm.
3. I think 3 and lots of short videos and lots of pictures. Pero yung talagang mahaba is 2 lang. Isang maikli, isang mahaba. Yun yung nasa channel ko ngayon sa Pornhub.
May chance ba sana na magka-developan kayo ni Charles?
Parang when I work with someone, I set my boundaries na trabaho lang tayo. So kung magkakabutihan tayo, if we become friends, sige, I'm open to that. Pero I try to keep it professional talaga as much as possible.
Pero muntik na. Paul.
Attached?
Hindi ako. Let's just say that. Yun na lang.
So siya?
Hindi ka na-attach?
Hindi.
Siya?
Sabi niya.
Ay, ganon.
Sabi niya.
So, ano naging reaction mo?
Pero, may history siya of not telling the truth to me. So, I don't know if that's true. Pero sinabi niya at some point that he felt something. Yun na lang.
Oo.
Bakit kanya iniwan? He felt something.
Hindi kasi, at the time kasi, parang yung, paano ba? Parang he started feeling something and we started working together. Pero I think, yun nga, professionally, it wasn't working out as very well. Yun nga, may mga lalaking ganun na, they say one thing, pero yung titingnan mo yung actions, iba yung sinasabi.
So, may communication pa kayo ngayon?
Wala.
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Kasi, ito yung huling interaction namin ito rin. Yung the first time we ever met, nag-meet, kasi yun yung protocol ko talaga when I make my videos. When I have to collab with someone, kakaibiganin ko, i-invite ko muna, date muna tayo, dinner muna tayo, and then let's have sex off camera and see kung may chemistry. May ganun kaming preliminary na meeting. So nag-meeting kami, nagplano kami na gagawa kaming video, tapos biglang radio silence. Hindi siya nagsalita. Umabot ng 6 months, something like that. Hindi siya nagsalita, tapos biglang, hey, parang ready na ako gumawa ng video. Isipin mo, 6 from the preliminary meeting to the time na gagawa na kami ng video, 6 months.
Baka nag-prepare pa siya. Physically, emotionally, kasi hindi basta-basta ang ganyan.
Yeah, tama naman. Yun rin naman yung niya sa akin. Nasabi niya at the time daw, he was struggling emotionally. Kaya hindi siya nag-update sa akin. So, yun, gumawa kami ng videos for a few weeks. Tapos, ang nangyari is, yung last na meeting namin, sabi ko, gawa tayo one last video. Kasi sabi niya, gusto na rin daw niya mag-retire sa paggawa ng adult content. Sabi ko, sige, I respect that. Pero dahil nag-viral yung videos natin, gawa tayong isa pa bago ka mag-retire. Sabi niya, sige, ganyan. Nagplano kami. Sinong hindi sumipot?
Siya.
Siya. So, parang, tapos makikita ko pa na, parang yun kasi yung bare minimum na hinihingi ko sa mga katrabaho ko. Like, parang, ito yung boundaries natin. Like, when I say show up on time to work, you do that. Kasi trabaho to eh. Dito, fun and games eh. Kasi a lot of people think, oh, you're just hooking up with different guys. Hindi. Like, this is my work. And, you know, when I tell you to show up on work, to work on time, you fucking do that. And he didn't do that. Tapos ang mangyayari pa is, nakita ko sa stories niya na may ka-holding hands. And tinanong ko, syempre nagtaka ako, weird, ano to? Tsaka sinabi ko na sa kanya at the very beginning na, I don't make content with people who are in committed relationships. Kasi,
Bakit?
Kasi ano eh, if you are, kunyari may jowa ka, tapos gumawa ka ng content with me, you're cheating on your jowa. So sabi ko, kapag the moment na jumawa ka or if you're dating somebody, we're done. Kasi I don't wanna work with you anymore.
Pero teka lang, may asawa siya that time, di pa namamatay asawa niya nung ginawa niya yung content.
Actually, like, meron kaming permission ng asawa.
Okay. May cancer that time.
Yeah. I was aware naman of that. Tapos yun, tinanong ko sa kanya, okay lang ba sa relationship ninyo? Kung if we make content together. Sabi niya, sige, supported naman daw siya ng asawa niya at the time. Pero nung this particular moment that I'm talking about, wala na kasi asawa niya. Tapos yun nga, sabi ko, kung hindi legal within your relationship na makipag-content ka with us, I'm not gonna interfere with your relationship. So yun, nakita ko yung stories niya na may ka-holding hands siya. Nagtaka ako. Ano to? Like, ano to? Is there something that you're not telling me? Sabi niya, ay, wala lang to. So I'm like, that's bullshit. And I know that you're lying to me, so I don't want to work with you anymore. Because I don't like working with people who betray my trust like that. And yun nga, if this person is not showing up to work and hindi niya sineseryoso yung trabaho namin, parang nag-offer pa nga ako sa kanya na sige, for this particular video, babayaran kita. Like, which is not our usual agreement. So, nagplano talaga kami, pero hindi natuloy because of those complications.
So, ano ba siya? Magaling ba siyang performer? Anong masasabi mo sa kanya? Kaya inulit-ulit mo si Charles?
Magaling siya na performer, and I think na people like watching our videos together. Parang a lot of people have told me that we look good together. So that's something that I prioritize. And
pero ikaw, nasatisfied ka ba sa kanya?
Yeah, like, yeah.
Sa palagay mo, nasatisfied din siya sa'yo?
Yeah.
Kung nasatisfied siya sa'yo, bakit hindi ka niya binalik-balikan?
Hindi, at the time kasi, parang, paano ba? At the time kasi yun nga, parang I think without my knowledge, he was developing this relationship with this other girl already. Gets niyo ba? Yeah, so... Pero
alam mo, parang may something kayo eh. Basta kwento mo, wala mang level pero may something.
Walang label pero naudlot.
Like, kasi, parang when you have sex with someone, kahit sabihin mo na, oh, walang emotions or anything like that, you're still allowing yourself to be vulnerable with that person. So, parang constant risk sa work namin na may attachments na ma-form.
Kasi after mo nung kay Charles, gumawa ka nung kay Paulo.
Nauna si Paulo.
Nauna si Paulo. So yun, naiintindihan ko naman kung nagkaroon kami ng slight na attachment sa isa't isa. Pero ang nararamdaman ko right now is more disappointment and frustration. Kasi I don't like people being dishonest with me. So yun, I'm not reacting this way because I'm attached to him, pero nag-react ako ng ganito kasi I felt disrespected.
Anong mensahe mo sa kanya ngayon?
Have a nice life, bro. Whatever.
Ganun lang?
Yeah.
Pero kung halimbawa mag-sorry siya sa'yo, gawa tayo ng content, papayag ka? Ulit?
Matatempt ako, pero ang iisipin ko na lang, this is a person who has a history of yun nga, being disrespectful and dishonest to me. So, bakit ako uulit? Unless nagbago ka na talaga, diba? Yun. So,
sabi niya, magbabago na ako. Bigyan mo ako ng second chance.
Lulunod sa'yo.
Parang siya rin naman yung may ayaw eh.
Parang kailangan niya i-travel siya ng Europe, ng US.
Sabayan ka talaga. Like, no, I think yun nga, matitempt ako and parang, like, matitempt ako because I know na monetary-wise, financially. Nagva-viral kasi yung videos namin, so malaki yung kinikita ko. Malaki yung kinikita namin. So from a business perspective, matitempt ako, pero from an emotional perspective, parang yun nga meron na tayong history of not working well together. And yun nga, merong history of being dishonest. So, hindi na ako, parang I know how to protect myself from those people.
So, heto na. Sino pang, nire-ready mong partner as of na meron?
Meron.
Sino ito?
Malalaman nyo na lang kasi I'm still talking.
Pakita ang face.
Like,
Yan. Laban ba, Wancho?
bagay ba?
Bagay. Yan, tagalin ko.
Ayun.
Meron sa akin. I'm talking to someone right now. Siya, he enters beauty pageants.
Okay.
Yeah, so pogi. So, and content creator din siya. So,
Adult?
Hindi. Pero willing siya to make adult content with me. So, hindi ko pa alam kung matutuloy yun.
Ano to, lalaki o bi?
Bi na lalaki.
Okay.
Bayot.
So, okay lang sa'yo pag bi?
Yeah, like hindi naman issue sa akin yun as long as meron tayong attraction sa isa't isa. Yeah. So, kasi I've had sex and have made content with bi content creators and bi men before. So, yeah, it's not an issue with me talaga.
Ayun.
Yan.
So, invite mo sila sa mga projects mo ngayon?
Streaming pa rin po sa Viva Max app ang Kitty K7, ang Shh, and apat na tatlong H, and Sex Hub. And abangan nyo po ang bago kong movie with Direk Ato Bautista. Ang pangalan po niya Ahas, only on Viva Max. And follow nyo po ako sa social media ko, sa Instagram, sa Twitter, and sa TikTok. And please view my videos for free, my adult content. For free lang po siya sa Pornhub. So search nyo lang po pangalan ko, Salamis Alvi. Thank you.
At mapapanood ka sa Black Rider, right?
Yes! Sa GMA! Abangan nyo po yun sa GMA Primetime. Black Rider po with Mateo Gidichali and Katrina Halili and Ruru Madrid.
Ayan. Thank you.
Thank you!